This is the poultry. This one day after Mama has gone back to Malaysia. Mama is still on the way. I just called the name and him said Mama plane will land in the next 10 minutes. So this is what she left. Then I'm continuing it. So now it's in the net stage. They are fixing net. Strong, place a strong net to it. Then once they seal the net, so in this place, I want to enter the place now. So this is the edge to this place. Open the door. We have not yet cement the floor. So this inside. This place will take about 500 to 600 beds. It's going to take about 500 to 600 poultry chickens. So, but we did not demarcate it. We're supposed to demarcate it in the center here, like this, to the down, straight, to separate them this side on this side. But we decided to leave it that way, so that the beds can roam. We are still going to put cement here to concrete the floor, make the floor to be concrete, so that the beds will not be staying on the floor. So after this, maybe by tomorrow, so they starting to concrete. So just want you to see the extent we've got to. So we keep on updating you, Mama. Keep on updating Mama until the whole chicken is being bought and everything is going smoothly. Thank you.